Your mind is your soul. Wherever you put your mind
Okay.
at, you're selling. Wherever you put your mind at, you're selling it your
Mm.
soul. Whatever has your mind has your soul.
Okay, so how do I get at the you?
You have to get rid of everything else you give your mind to and give all of your mind to me, and I will worship you. You have your mind is spread out. Your soul, you sold your soul for different things in life, and your
Mm.
mind is spread out. I need your undivided attention. I need your full commitment, your mind, body, and soul. But the mind is the soul. But full submission and commitment, and I will make you a goddess. And I
I'm a
will give you
goddess.
so much. I know you have the ability to be a goddess. Right now, you're a princess. You still have to become a queen. And then from a queen, you become a goddess. Right now, you are a princess. You do not know who you are, but I do. I do. I can show you who you are.
You what?
I
You
can show
making
you.
your girlfriend? You making your wives in the comments mad?
Oh, I'm not, because they know I'm
And jealous.
speaking directly. They know that I'm speaking to them as well. I don't speak to one
Hey,
person. I speak to.
everybody else talking to me.
No, no, no. You don't understand me. I
I
don't
gotta
speak
have
to.
your. I have to have your undivided attention. You should
Oh,
not
you will.
be talking to everybody else in the comments. You need to be talking to me.
Okay, so this is how it works. Once you give all of yourself to me, I will give all of my power to you. When I give you all my power,
Well, I gotta
you will
give
give
to
it back.
myself first.
You
Why
give
can't you?
it back because I have the power right now.
How do you have the power? How you know I ain't got the power first?
Well, what I'm telling you
Oh, I
is I have the
power
power because I know who you are and you don't.
Who don't know who I am? I know who I am. You don't know who I am.
No, you know who you made yourself. You don't know the real you.
I know the real me.
Oh, the real you is a beautiful thing. She is
Thank you.
gorgeous. She is
Yes.
gorgeous.
Yes. And
Oh, I,
she feel. Let me tell you, it's like when you in there, right? It's like, oh my God, it's like the ocean. Like you was just swimming in water, like you just swimming nonstop, 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 right? Then
yeah.
boom, you drowning, right? And
Hmm.
then when you finally recover from it, like you get up, you be like, damn, I thought I wasn't never going, you know what I'm saying? Get some air, but it was a kind of like a dying experience that you enjoyed and loved. You know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
But that came before you was here. You see what I'm saying?
Hmm. Hmm.
That was made and created before you got here. So I'm the guy. You gotta worship. You gotta listen to me first. You see how that go?
Okay.
I was the
What will you have?
water,
What
and
will you
then
have me
what?
do? What will you have me do?
What would I have you do?
If I was to give you all of me and give you my
Mm-hmm.
soul,
Mm-hmm.
what would you offer me
What would I offer you?
in return? Yes.
My presence. My presence alone and enough is love. It's the best love and the best presence that you could ever have in life. If you
Mm.
don't next to you, you don't have nothing in life. Right now, you are empty inside.
Mm.
You know
Absolutely.
why inside? You know why
Why?
you are in search of certain individuals to come into your life? Because
Why?
I did it.
Mm. Mm.
You forever is going to be looking for something. And those are facts.
So you're telling me that you are like all of my wives put in one?
Yeah. They
Even
ain't
like
got
Aya?
nothing. Hmm?
Oh, you like Aya?
Man, they call me Baby D. I cook, clean, babysit, and sell dope all in the same day. I get it. I do everything. Work, be on here, cook, clean, babysit kids, do all that one shit. You feel me? Everything. You can take me to the strip club, and then after the strip club, we could go to a business meeting and full of white people,
But
do
okay,
hair,
so
lashes, everything.
will you hold me?
Who said I was from Chicago? Y'all crazy as fuck. I'm from the A. I'm from Atlanta. What is y'all talking about?
Will you hold me?
Would I hold you?
Yes.
Yes. And your head
I
would
need.
have to be like right here to where you connect
Mm,
my heart. You listen to
mm.
my heartbeat. When you listen to my heartbeat, that goes in your mind and in your soul. So when it goes into your soul, right, my heartbeat makes your heartbeat at a calm pace. Yep, like that. Sucking your thumb, hold your ear like a baby, just like a baby, like a newborn baby. I tell you. And then, I gave birth, so you will automatically be drawn and attracted to the milk that's in my breast. You see what I'm saying?
Mm.
Trying to tell you.
Mm.
Breastfeed you. You need to be breastfed. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got breastfed yet.
So you would breastfeed me?
Hmm. You
And you would
need the
swallow me?
love of a mother.
You
Mother
would swallow?
instinct, mother nature.
You would swallow me?
Swallow you, breastfeed you, burp you, whatever. Feed you.
And you would do all of that for my love? You would do all of that for me?
You said I'm your God, right?
Why you never told me you loved me?
Because I don't know what love is. What did you talk about? Why I ain't never told you I love you? Boy, you know I don't fuck with you. Ain't your boy. You're being so
That's why
they
you
crazy.
should worship me first. Because I have to show you what love is for you to be able to love me. Because I have to protect myself. And if I don't show you what love is first, then I don't know if you're going to be able to give me the love that I need.
Always protecting yourself. That's the thing. Now, you know that? You know you protect yourself. You know why you've been always protected yourself and you never just like drop your guards and never just give yourself a chance? You know why you always got to be in control of everything?
I'm afraid.
Why? What are you afraid of?
Because I haven't found someone I can trust.
Why? You trust them. You trust Aya and Malia, right?
Because it's not time.
Why is it not time?
Because
How much time?
everything has its time.
But how much time do you need?
I'm calling right now. I'm calling upon her spirit. Trust me, I'm doing everything in my strength to get to her. That's all I think about is her. I'm always thinking about her. She's my whole life.
To put her crown on my head. My crown, shit. I don't want her crown. I got my own. Fuck you, me. Fuck you, me. Trying to tell you, it ain't a me out there. This cloth right here was sold out when I was born. You feel me?
You do look like you taste good.
Oh no, it ain't no look like I do. That's that's
I
already confirmed.
I would devour you.
You'll eat my toes. You'll put my feet in your mouth. I got pretty feet.
Mm, I would devour.
So what was you licking earlier when you turned into a cat? You turned into a panther.
Oh yes, I am the Black Panther. Would you like to see it?
So what made you turn into
Would
the
you like
Black
to see
Panther?
the panther? Would you like to see it?
I didn't know the black woman is already the Black Panther. You know that, right?
Oh, I
Right.
can show you. You want to see it?
So what?
We're not. We are not separate. Of course, what I am, you are, and what you are, I am. Would you like to see the panther?
Mm, they telling me to leave.
Take a watch and clock. I can't wait till we get to run. I wanna scream and dream and go on parade. Is that okay? Tonight it's me and you alone. We'll make a call, won't even write a song. See, I've been waiting and waiting for the time to say, listen,
Nature
babe.
boy.
When you're down and it's hard and you feel like you're giving your all, baby, our love will always keep it real and true. Baby, it's a prime time for our love. Ain't nobody thinking but the stars above. It's a prime time for our love, and heaven is betting on us.
It's not working.
Bang, bang, I'm calling your name. You're like the fire the world can't tame. I wanna ride to the
Unless
stars
you
on
always
the
not
night flame.
period.
Is that okay?
You can help me.
Yeah. Tonight it's me and you alone. Don't take a call, won't even write a song. This should be a version kind of day. Listen, babe. When you're down and it's hard and you feel like you're giving your all, baby, my love is always right here for you. Yeah, 'cause baby, it's a prime time for our love. Ain't nobody thinking but the stars above. It's a prime time for our love, and heaven is betting on us. It's a prime time for our love. Ain't nobody thinking but the stars above. It's a prime time for our love, and heaven is betting on us. But tonight, I don't want to be mysterious
Can I do a song request?